In the fast-evolving automotive industry, Celette has long been at the forefront of collision repair equipment. Today, we're excited to introduce a groundbreaking advancement: the Celette AI Webtools. This innovative AI system leverages our extensive data, making it compatible with a wide range of systems and tools. Our Celette Webtools seamlessly integrate with all existing Celette equipment, including the versatile Chameleon, the precise Nature 3D, and the fast and affordable Eagle. This means enhanced efficiency and reliability for your body shop operations, regardless of the Celette tools you already rely on. Understanding the diverse needs of body shops, we've developed a software solution for tracking gauge usage. It's designed to be compatible with any tracking gauge, providing valuable insights whether you're an independent body shop or a long-standing Celette customer. Moreover, the Celette AI Webtools extend their versatility to be compatible with equipment using non-metric systems, such as car O-liner, Uniliner, Unaliner, Primacy, Chisholm, and Ducar benches. With a simple adapter and our trusted, universal jig system, the Chameleon, integration is effortless. Celette continues to innovate, developing AI software compatible with other metric benches. At Celette, our mission extends beyond technology. Ours is to ensure all body shops can harness the power of AI and access accurate data, revolutionizing collision repair technology. By utilizing only the Celette AI Webtools alongside Celette's comprehensive data, we're setting a new standard in collision repair technology. Celette AI Webtools, empowering your body shop with the future of collision repair technology, today.